Remove seats immediately. All passengers brace position. Anna! Anna! She's at the bathroom. She's at the back.
Mommy,
Anna! Anna, stay there! I'm coming! Coming too!
I can do this.
David, the bags, both of them.
I have them both, see?
Dad, you left one at the car.
Stay close at the gate, Leo.
I am close. This is close.
Gate departure boarding. Why do I have to take my shoes off?
Security rules, buddy.
My socks have holes. This is embarrassing.
Please empty your pockets, young man.
It's just a dinosaur. He's friendly.
Latreo, put the dinosaur in the tray.
Mom, what does departure lounge mean?
Where we wait before we fly.
Lounge. I'm writing that down.
Gate B14, boarding at 9:30.
Perfect. You're our navigator. I want to read a sign.
Mom, is a pilot the same as a driver?
A sky driver. I like that.
David, Dad, when do we go?
20 minutes, Leo. That's so long. That's forever.
Dad, are you scared to fly?
Me? No, absolutely not.
Your leg is shaking, Dad.
Are you nervous, Anna?
A little.
Is that okay? Completely okay. Nervous is normal.
This is a spaceship tunnel.
It is exactly like that, yes.
It's called a boarding bridge, Leo.
Welcome aboard. Seats 14A and B.
Thank you.
Cross the aisle from you two.
Perfect. What does this button do?
Whoops, not that one. Seatbelt, Anna. Like this.
Watch.
She did it. Okay, then.
It's so big out there. I'm really here. Dad, she's showing the seatbelt.
I see her. Are you watching?
I already know. I read the card. Leo, did you listen to the safety talk? I was thinking about snacks.
Leo, we listen to safety talks.
Dad, can I sit by the window?
Anna, can I have the window?
Engine starting. Hold on.
Is it always this loud?
You get used to it.
We're moving. That fast. What?
Hold on, Leo. We're taking off.
We're above the clouds.
What do you think?
This is the best day.
Juice, water, or cola?
Orange juice, please. Thank you. And cookies. Juice for you, Leo. I spy something white. The clouds. Too easy. Try again.
How long to landing?
About 2 more hours.
Plenty of time for Leo to cause something.
That man, he looks not good. Mom,
Which man, sweetheart?
2 rows. The old man, he's very pale.
He might just be tired, Anna.
He looks more than tired.
I'll watch. Okay, I'll watch him.
Some water, please.
Of course. Here.
I'm just a little warm.
I'm calling someone right now.
Dad, what's the word when someone needs help fast?
Emergency. Why?
Just, I'm writing words.
Excuse me. Yes, sweetheart?
Nothing, sorry. Never mind.
Feel that? Slight bumps.
The seatbelt sign just came on. Is that turbulence? Whoa! Did you feel that?
Tighten your seatbelt, Leo.
This is like a roller coaster. Is this normal, Mom?
Yes, it's bumpy air, like a road.
Like our road to Grandma's house?
How do you feel? Better?
My chest, heavy.
I'm calling someone right now.
The lady pressed the button.
Maybe she needs something.
I think it's him, the sick man. Says his chest. His chest is the problem. Sir, can you hear me? Can you squeeze my hand? Sorry to trouble you. Don't stare, children.
Is he okay?
The crew is helping, that's what they're trained for. Ladies and gentlemen, is there a doctor on board? Please press your call button or speak to a flight attendant.
You need a doctor. Dad, I really need a snack.
Not now.
My stomach says now. It's very loud.
I'm a doctor. I heard the announcement. This way, please. Quickly. His pulse. Check his oxygen.
What is the doctor doing?
Helping his heart, I think.
Is his heart in danger?
We have a medical situation. Passenger, row 12.
Doctor on board assisting.
Dad,
I should have told the flight attendant before. What do you mean?
earlier, when I went to say something, I stopped.
You spoke up now. That's what matters.
But I didn't have the words then.
Now you're learning them. For next time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, Garrett Kahn. Please remain seated with seatbelts fastened.
The pilots are trained to sound calm. Seatbelts tight, everyone. Mine's tight, see? See how tight?
Anna, tighten yours.
He needs to lie down. Can we move him? There's space in row 3. Come. I'm coming with him. I'm coming.
Is that man going to be okay? I think so. The doctor is helping. Is the doctor good? Yes. She's a good doctor. How do you know? Because she came. That's what good doctors do.
That's more than moderate.
Hold on.
Mom, I don't like this now.
I know. Hold my hand.
Like this?
Ladies and gentlemen, seats please. Seatbelts on. All trays up. All seats upright. Now, please.
Dad, I really need the bathroom.
Anna, the sign is on.
Dad, I really need to go. The turbulence is lighter right now.
Go fast, Anna. Hold the seats.
I'll be fast. I promise. Hold the seats. Walk fast.
She made it.
Good, she'll be fast.
She will. She's Anna. Cabin crew seats immediately. All passengers brace position. Anna!
What?
Anna! She's at the bathroom. She's at the back.
Mommy, Anna! Okay, hold on. Just hold on.
The belt sign is on. You can't go to her.
I know. She'll open that door and she'll be okay.
Rear cabin, all secure!
I need to get out. I have to get out now. Hold the seat. Move one at a time. One more. Almost there.
You stop! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down now! I'll tell them. Sit!
My family is row 14. Right there.
I see them. You are safe. I see them.
They can't see me from here.
I saw her! She was in the aisle!
She was buckled down. I saw the FA buckle her.
Where is she? I want Dad!
Anna!
I see you. Stay there. I'm okay.
I'm here.
I'm okay. Is Anna okay?
Yes, she's in a seat. She's safe.
Are you okay, Mom?
Stay with me. Breathe slowly.
Yes.
I'm here. I'm right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are passing through a weather system. We are safe. My crew has this. Please remain seated.
What is your name?
Anna Chen.
Anna Chen. You are doing great.
The man in row 12. Is he okay?
The doctor is with him. He's being helped. I knew he was sick before.
The turbulence is decreasing. We are through the worst of it.
Breathe. Just breathe.
The belt sign, is it?
Not yet. Stay seated.
Sophie, I'm getting my daughter.
Sir, the sign is still...
My daughter, row 16. She's 7 years old. Go. Anna.
Dad. Dad, I was so scared.
I know, me too. You were so brave.
I didn't feel brave.
Walk with me. Hold my arm.
I can walk.
I know you can. I want to hold on anyway.
Anna.
I wasn't scared. I was very calm.
Were you? I was a little bit scared.
Leo, you were holding Mom's hand.
For her, she was scared.
That's very kind, Leo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the passenger who required assistance is now stable.
Good pulse, just breathe slowly.
The turbulence is now behind us. We are on final approach. We will land in approximately 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Mom, what does turbulence actually mean?
Bumpy that is moving in different ways.
And it's normal? Dad, when I was alone, I talked to myself.
What did you say?
I said I can do this, like 3 times.
Anna Chen, how are we doing?
Better. Thank you for the seat.
You were very calm. That helped.
Excuse me, can I ask something? The man who was sick, is he really okay?
Yes, he's going to be just fine. The doctor helped him. He'll get hospital care when we land.
Good. I noticed he told someone then. I know that now.
Look through the window.
Land! I can see land! And roads! I see roads!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I let her go.
She needed the bathroom, David.
Still,
She was okay. She is okay.
because she's Anna.
Yes, because she's Anna.
Emergency, turbulence, oxygen, breathe, passenger, calm.
So, now can I have a snack?
I will get you a snack, Leo. The brave little passenger. Here are crackers.
Thank you. I was very brave. He was slightly brave.
You talked to the flight attendant, Anna.
I asked about Mr. Park. In English, without help. I knew the words.
You practiced them.
Not for this. Dad, I described Leo once to the flight attendant.
What do you mean?
Practice saying what Leo looks like.
In case
Thank you. Thank you so much.
He needs care when we land.
He was so scared. We both were.
Anna, were you scared when I wasn't there? I was scared, Leo. Me too. But I didn't cry. Leo, I thought about you when I was scared. You did? Leo needs me to be okay. We're almost there. We made it.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
Hold on, we're almost home.
Well, we're almost there. Home is still far.
Wheels down in 3, 2. Yes, we are. First thing, food. Real food. Agreed. I vote restaurant.
Anna, are you okay? Really okay? Mom, can I tell you something?
Always. When I was alone, I wasn't only scared.
I was scared. But I was also...
Doing things.
Is that what brave means?
Brave doesn't mean not scared.
Then what does it mean? Scared and doing it anyway. That's brave.
I found the best restaurant. Look at the menu.
Noodles. Dad said yes to noodles. Leo, were you really scared today? Yes, really scared. A tummy fad. Mine too. But we're okay now.
Anna, you put your hand in your heart.
You did first.
It means I see you. You're okay.
Today was the best trip and the worst trip.
Both at the same time.
That's called an adventure.
I'm proud of you, Anna.
I'm proud of me too. A little bit. I'm proud of me most. Today I learned real English. Emergencies, turbulent, brave. Did you learn them, Spy? Tell me in the comments.